How to embed Instagram feed on Squarespace. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Now if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments and let's get started. So I have just created a test page over here. It's completely blank, but this is a perfect example where I can actually show you guys how to do this. So what you want to do is simply go to this website called Elfsight. Now Elfsight offers a lot of different widgets, as you can see, like a lot of them. And over here, there is the Instagram feed widget, as you can see. Now I do have a direct link to this page right over here in the description that you can actually click on and you'll be brought to this page immediately. I also do have a direct link to their regular website as well. So if you would like to check it out, then here you have the different templates. So we have 6 of them, and we have the profile widget, the grid, the small widget, the hashtag showcase, the post slider, and the dark profile widget. So you can choose whichever one you would like to. So I'll go with the grid, and then I'll click on continue with this template. So here you have to add either public accounts or hashtags, your business account, but then you have to connect to Facebook, and your personal account, and then you have to connect to Instagram. So I'll just go with public accounts and hashtags, and just for the sake of this tutorial, since I don't really have a good account to show this with, I'll just stick with hashtag New York, for example. Simply add this, and this is how it will look like. Let's say this would be your profile. Then you also have the filters over here, and here you can filter out specific posts. So hide posts containing these words or hashtags, or show posts that containing these words or hashtags. So let's say you would add your profile, and then you only want to show the posts from your profile that have a specific word or hashtag. Then you can also do that, which is very nice. Then you can simply click on add to website. Now here you will have to create an account or log in if you have one. That's what I'm going to do. Then once you are here, you can still edit it however you would like to, like change the layout and blah, blah, blah. Then at the top right corner, you have a green publish button. That is where you want to click on. Once you've clicked on there, you'll be brought to the plans page. Now there is a free one, as you can see, but it's actually very limited. Like you can't even remove the branding, for example. Now, as you can see, there's also paid versions, which is way less limited. So this is definitely recommended. If you first choose the light version, so the free one, and then go to deals right over here, you actually have a welcome discount coupon, which is available for 24 hours and saves you 20%. So maybe do that first and then go ahead and choose a different plan and upgrade. So it will save 20%. And at the time of this recording, there's actually a 30% discount going on as well. But if this isn't here anymore, then try that other method that I just showed. Then here you want to click on install, and then this is the code that will pop up. So simply copy the code right over there, just like that, and then go back to your Squarespace website. Now here you want to click on edit, and then you want to click on add block. Now once you've clicked on there, you should see code somewhere over here. So click on there, and then here you want to edit this. And then you want to paste the whole code in there, as you can see. So now it says preview in save mode. So because it says this block contains embedded scripts. Embedded scripts are disabled while you're logged in and editing your site. So if you click on preview in save mode, then this is how it will look like. Then this is, how it will look like, as you can see. So now we can, for example, edit it just a bit different. Let's just put this in the middle, then save and hit exit. And then, yeah, this is how it will look like. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.